Regularly sharpen your knives to keep food prep safe and efficient. The steps for sharpening your knives are largely the same whether you're using an electric or manual sharpener. Most sharpeners either have 2 or 3 settings. Start by inserting your blade into the first slot of the coarse setting. Gently pull the knife towards you from heel to tip. You should hear a grinding noise and feel some resistance from the blade. If you're using an electric sharpener, you won't need to use any force, the sharpener does it all for you. As you pull the knife through the sharpener, follow its curve to sharpen the entire length of the blade. Repeat this action 3 times for a mildly dull blade or 6 times for a severely dull blade. Pass the knife through the remaining slots 1 or 2 times to fine-tune the edge. Remember to pull your knife through each slot an equal number of times to sharpen both sides of the blade evenly. Then run the blade through the fine setting once or twice to hone the edge. Finally, clean the knife with warm soapy water and dry it with a towel to remove any steel remnants from the blade. Now your knife is ready to tackle the demands of your kitchen.